Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about your fitness goals, but also serious about your budget, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to eat healthy, build muscle, and save money, all at the same time. Forget those expensive meal prep services and fancy complicated recipes. We're going back to basics with real food that gets real results without breaking the bank. I'm talking about delicious, nutrient-packed meals that are easy to make even if you're super busy. So, if you're ready to transform your diet and your wallet, stick around. We're about to cook up some seriously good stuff. First things first, let's talk about the building blocks of a great fitness diet. We need protein for muscle repair, complex carbs for energy, healthy fats for hormone function, and plenty of vitamins and minerals. The good news is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get all of this. My grocery haul for this week proves it. You've got chicken breast, a big bag of lentils, a carton of eggs, some canned tuna, brown rice, a bunch of fresh vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers, and some sweet potatoes. These are powerhouse ingredients that are incredibly versatile and affordable. The key is to buy smart. Look for sales on chicken, buy grains, and legumes in bulk, and don't be afraid of frozen veggies. They're just as nutritious and often cheaper than fresh. All right, let's get into our first meal prep session. We're going to make our lives easier for the next few days. The first thing I always do is get my carbs cooking. I've got a pot of brown rice on the stove. While that simmers, I'll pop some sweet potatoes in the oven to roast. It's all about multitasking in the kitchen. Next up, protein. I'm baking a big batch of chicken breasts, seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika. Baking is great because it's hands-off and doesn't require extra oil. At the same time, I'm boiling a dozen eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are the ultimate fitness snack, packed with protein, easy to grab, and super cheap. In less than an hour, we'll have our core components ready to go. Now for my absolute favorite budget-friendly protein source, lentils. Don't sleep on lentils. They are incredibly high in protein and fiber, keeping you full and fueled for hours. I'm making a big batch of simple lentil stew. I sauteed some onion and garlic, add the rinsed lentils, some vegetable broth, and a few chopped carrots. I let that simmer until the lentils are tender. This stew is not only hearty and delicious, but it costs pennies per serving. You can eat it on its own, serve it over rice, or even add a scoop to your salads. It's one of the most effective ways to hit your protein goals without relying solely on meat, which can get expensive. This one pot of lentil stew will provide several meals throughout the week, with our rice, chicken, sweet potatoes, and lentils all cooked. It's time for the fun part. Assembling our meal prep containers. This is where you can get creative. For my first meal combo, I'm doing a classic, sliced chicken breast. A scoop of brown rice, and a generous portion of steamed broccoli. This is the quintessential bodybuilder meal for a reason. It's perfectly balanced. In another container, I'm putting a base of that hearty lentil stew and pairing it with some roasted sweet potato chunks on the side. This is a fantastic plant-based option that's still incredibly high in protein and complex carbs. For a third option, a simple tuna salad made with Greek yogurt instead of mayo, mixed with some chopped celery, served alongside a couple of hard-boiled eggs. 3 different meals, all ready to go. Let's talk about breakfast and snacks because we can't let hunger derail our progress. My go-to breakfast is almost always oatmeal. A big bag of rolled oats is so cheap and lasts forever. I cook it with water or milk, and then top it with whatever I have. A sliced banana, a sprinkle of cinnamon, maybe a spoonful of peanut butter for some healthy fats. It's warm, filling, and gives you slow-release energy to power your morning workout. For snacks, besides the hard-boiled eggs we already made, I love apple slices with peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or a simple protein shake. And don't forget Greek yogurt. It's another protein superstar that you can eat, plain or mixed with some fruit. These simple snacks will keep your metabolism humming and prevent you from reaching for junk food. Now let's put it all together into a realistic day of eating. I might start my day with that big bowl of oatmeal and a coffee. For lunch, I'll grab one of my prepped containers, maybe the chicken, rice, and broccoli. It heats up in 2 minutes and I've got a perfect post-workout meal. Mid-afternoon, when I need a little pick-me-up, I'll have a hard-boiled egg and an apple. Then for dinner, I might have that delicious lentil stew to switch things up. And if I'm still feeling a bit hungry before bed, a small bowl of Greek yogurt does the trick. Every single meal is planned, healthy, and supports my fitness goals. And the best part? The total cost for this day of food is incredibly low, probably less than you'd spend on a single takeout meal. One of the biggest excuses I hear is that healthy eating is boring. Absolutely doesn't have to be. The secret is in the seasonings and the small details. You want to be afraid to use herbs and spices? They have virtually no calories and can completely transform a dish. A little chili powder on your chicken, some cumin in your lentils, or some Italian herbs on your roasted vegetables can make a world of difference. Hot sauce is my best friend for adding a kick to anything. Also, think about textures. Adding some crunchy bell peppers to your tuna salad or some fresh spinach to your plate adds freshness and makes the meal more satisfying. Eating for fitness is a lifestyle, and if you don't enjoy your food, you won't stick with it. So experiment. Find the flavors you love and make these healthy staples your own. So there you have it. A full week's worth of cheap and healthy meals that are perfect for anyone on a fitness journey. We've shown that you can cook delicious, high-protein food without spending a lot of time or money. It's all about planning ahead, choosing smart ingredients, and batch cooking your staples. This approach not only saves you money, but also saves you mental energy during the week. You never have to wonder what to eat. A healthy, supportive meal is always ready for you in the fridge. This is how you build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that gets you the results you're working so hard for in the gym. Consistency is everything, both in your training and your nutrition. I hope this video has inspired you and shown you that eating healthy on a budget is 100% achievable. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to fuel your body, right? All it takes is a little bit of planning and the desire to invest in your health. What are some of your favorite budget-friendly fitness meals? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get some new ideas from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more realistic fitness and nutrition content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and eat well.